incorporate elements into modern designs. International runways and fashion shows often feature adaptations or interpretations of these garments, highlighting the universal appeal and influence they hold in the world of fashion. Moreover, these traditional silk garments not only reflect cultural identity but also carry historical and symbolic meanings. The áo dai, with its flowing silhouette, represents the grace and modesty of Vietnamese women, echoing the values of harmony and elegance. It serves as a visual representation of Vietnam's history, with its origins dating back to the 18th century and evolving over time to reflect changing fashion trends. The kimono, steeped in centuries-old tradition, represents the timeless beauty and appreciation for nature in Japanese culture. The choice of fabric, patterns, and colors in a kimono can convey social status, age, and the season. The motifs often depict nature, such as cherry blossoms or cranes, symbolizing good fortune and longevity. The kimono reflects Japan's deep reverence for tradition, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of aesthetic perfection. The sari, an epitome of femininity and grace, symbolizes the diversity and unity of India. Each region in India has its distinct style of draping the sari, such as the Nivy style in northern India or the Bengali style in the east. The choice of fabric, color, and design can signify regional identity and cultural heritage. The intricate embroidery and embellishments showcase the skill and artistry of Indian craftsmen, making each sari a unique piece of wearable art. In Korean culture, the hanbok embodies the essence of Confucian principles, emphasizing the importance of harmony and social hierarchy. The vibrant colors and elegant lines of the hanbok represent the celebration of life, joy, and beauty. The jeogori, the upper garment of the hanbok, features symbolic elements such as the number of decorative knots, which can indicate the wearer's marital status. The hanbok reflects Korea's deep respect for tradition, respect for elders, and the preservation of cultural heritage. These traditional silk garments also play a vital role in special occasions and ceremonies. They are often worn during weddings, festivals, and cultural events, adding a touch of elegance and grandeur to the celebrations. The garments become a visual expression of cultural pride and serve as a connection to ancestral traditions and values. Furthermore, these traditional silk garments have gained international acclaim and have become coveted fashion statements beyond their countries of origin. Designers and fashion enthusiasts around the world appreciate the exquisite craftsmanship, intricate detailing, and timeless appeal of these garments. They have been reinterpreted and incorporated into contemporary fashion, bridging the gap between tradition and modernity. In recent years, efforts have been made to preserve and promote these traditional silk garments. Organizations, museums, and cultural institutions are working to safeguard the techniques, skills, and knowledge involved in their production. Various initiatives are undertaken to support silk weavers, artisans, and craftsmen, ensuring the sustainability of this traditional art form. Additionally, these traditional silk garments are an embodiment of the skilled craftsmanship and meticulous techniques involved in their creation. The production of these garments often involves intricate processes, such as spinning silk threads, dyeing the fabric with natural pigments, and weaving them into intricate patterns. These techniques have been passed down through generations, preserving traditional methods and ensuring the continuity of this art form. The silk used in these garments is highly valued for its luxurious feel, lightweight texture, and natural sheen.